Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Virgo. Virgo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. In this reading, I am going to see your partner's energies towards you. Okay, your energies towards your partner, your mutual energies, and the future potential of this relationship. Okay. Let's see what your partner thinks about you and how do they see you. Six of Cups, Ace of Cups, Four of Pentacles, okay, Knight of Cups, Queen of Swords, Page of Wands. I feel that you are dealing with some water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, with the Six of Cups, Ace of Cups, and Knight of Cups. And we have air sign as well in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this Queen of Swords. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, with this Page of Wands. And we have earth sign also in this reading with this Four of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so let's see what is the mutual energy between you and your person. Okay. The Hanged Man, and one card for future potential. Okay, Death. Okay. So these are your partner's energy towards you. These are your energies towards your partner. Okay, now let's see what your partner feels about you. So we have Four of Pentacles, Six of Cups, and Ace of Cups. Okay, so with Four of Pentacles, your person sees you as someone who is, very much obsessed about money. Okay, you are very much concerned and fearful about your money. Okay, so this is the reason you are holding your money as tightly as you can with your feet and with close to your heart. Okay, a major part of your heart thinks a lot about money. Maybe it could all I feel that due to this pandemic you are losing your job, or you are about to lose your job, or you are being very fearful to lose your job. Okay, so you are feeling that at any point of time or at any moment you can lose your job. Okay, so that's why you are just holding your money as tight as you can. Okay, you are not spending unnecessarily. You are just very much concerned about your money right now. Okay, and with this Four of Pentacles, your person is also seeing you that you are very much concerned about your future. You are very much concerned about your career, your finance, your job, your business. Okay, and with the Six of Cups, I feel your person is seeing you that you are talking to certain people. You are talking to some people to start something new in this it could be your finances. It could be related to your finances, that since you are very fearful about this pandemic, okay, about your money or your finances. So for some of you, your partner is feeling you that you are talking to certain people, so that you can start something new in terms of new job, new career, new business opportunity. So you are you are just talking to a lot of people right now. Okay, and for some of you, I feel that you are being very fearful right now. Okay, so there is less communication between you and your person. Okay, your person is seeing you that you are holding your money, okay, very tightly. You are very fearful about your finances. That's why you are not talking to your person. Okay, This is the second story which is coming into my mind. The first one was that you are being fearful, okay, and now you are meeting some people to get started some new job or some new career or something new for your finances, which can give you enough money to to run your home, okay. And the second thought which is coming into my mind is that you are being very money minded or money focused right now, and that's why you're not thinking about anything apart from your money and finances right now, okay. And that's why there is no communication in this relationship, okay. And so for some of you, your partner is seeing you as you are definitely going to talk to your person, okay. I feel that your person wants to meet you, Virgo. Your person definitely wants to meet you, definitely wants to talk to you. I mean, they are seeing you that you are struggling a lot with your finances and with your career, but I feel that you are not letting them into your life in this phase of crisis, okay. But I feel that your person has genuine emotions for you, okay. So money is temporary thing, money is temporary thing, but love is the something which is for uh, love is meant to be forever, okay. So I feel that your person is helping you out, okay. They are coming forward to meet you, they are coming forward to know you, know your well-being, okay. So some reconciliation is seeing is also happening with the Six of Cups, okay. I feel that your person is coming towards you, that you need not to worry at all about your finances. I'm here with you, okay. So if any God forbid, if you are going to, if you face any kind of trouble, financial trouble, so I'm there with you, okay. So they want to be with you in your thick and thin times, okay. But you are being very much money focused right now. That's what your person feels. They want to offer you something in this relationship, and with this Ace of Pentacles, I feel that they want to start something new with you in this relationship. Maybe they are planning to propose you, maybe they are planning to offer you something new in this relationship, okay. Maybe they want something new, okay. Something new is about to happen in this relationship, okay. And your person is definitely wants to connect with you, they definitely wants to offer you something, okay. That's how they see you, that's how they feel about you, and these are their energies towards you, okay. Now let's talk about your energies towards your partner, okay, okay, okay. So we have Knight of Cups, Queen of Swords, and Page of Wands. Let's see how you see of your partner, how you think about your partner, okay. So you feel with this Knight of Cups that your person is definitely wants to offer you something in this relationship, and uh, similarly your partner also feels in a same manner that something is going to happen in this relationship, something is about to start in this relationship. So you feel that your person is coming towards you with an offer, okay. It could be proposal, it could be anything, okay. And with this Queen of Swords, you find your person as someone who is mature, someone who is very kind, someone who knows how to deal with people, someone who knows how to tackle these tough situations in life, someone who knows who I mean to how to deal with people basically, and someone who knows how to cut the negative emotions from this relationship. So you see and you rely on them, and you find them very mature and very down to earth, okay. And with this Page of Wands, I feel you feel that your person is very much energetic, very much enthusiastic, but they are still brushing up their skills to come forward to you, okay. That's why they are they are very slow. They are very slow towards you. Okay, maybe with this page of wands they are planning to approach to you. Okay, they are planning to propose you. Okay, that's why they are taking their own time, and the proposal is really slow, but there is a proposal for you, okay, from your partner side. So something new is about to happen in this relationship. Okay, so these are your energies towards your partner. Okay, now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and your person. With this hanged man, I feel that with this hanged man, I feel this relationship is kind of hold. Okay, I feel that no communication is happening between you two. No action is taking place in this relationship right now. Okay, both of you are being very silent and very what should I say? I mean, you guys have isolated yourself. Okay, you guys are totally alone. You guys are taking your own time to come forward and offer this Knight of Cups and Ace of Cups. Okay, so both of you are taking your own time to come forward. Okay, both of you are taking your own time to take this relationship on a next level. Okay, so this is the current energy. No communication, no action is happening right now in this relationship. And we have the Death card in future potential, so I think that something is about to end in this relationship. Don't worry, it is not the end of this relationship. I'm saying there's something is about to end in this relationship. Okay, that means some energies are going to end in this relationship. Maybe it could be your fearful energy. Okay, it could be their waiting, I mean they are taking their own time to come forward. Okay, so it could also happen that they are now they will think to take an action towards you. So anything could be, yeah, I mean it could be anything. Okay, so whatever the energy is right now, all the negative energies are definitely going to end, and something new is about to happen for you in this relationship in future. Okay, we have Pisces with this hanged man. Okay, we have water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Six of Cups, Ace of Cups, Knight of Cups. We have air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Queen of Swords. Some of you could be dealing with earth sign as well, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and some of you could be dealing with fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with Page of Wands. Okay, yes, so that was the reading for Virgo. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.